Hello friends, welcome to Joyful Homemaking. This video is about our new car. Yeah, we took a new car. It's a Dzire from Maruti Suzuki. It's a facelift version released on March 2020. The design looks amazing. The color and the design being liked by my family and relatives very much. In this video, I'll try to explain how I've concluded to take a Dzire for the budget of 9 lakhs. First, I took a test drive of Baleno. Its legroom and boot space is very good. It's also a highest selling model in Maruti Suzuki. However, considering the safety features, I started looking other models of the cars. In that sense, Tata Nexon has attracted me very much with its safety features and design, and also the global NCAP 4-star rating. Safety wise, if we see, it has got all the features of what luxury car would have, like electronic stability control, rollover mitigation, hill hold control, and traction control. Its build quality is very good. Only thing is the build quality has taken the space of legroom, so you always miss the comfort of having a joyful ride. So I started looking for a sedan type car so that I'll have enough legrooms. So for the budget of 9 lakhs, I had a choice of choosing either Maruti Dzire or Honda Amaze because both fits in 9 lakhs. Even though the features of both the models are same, the service and maintenance of the Maruti Suzuki is much higher compared to Honda. So I finalized Maruti. So let us look at dealerships in Maruti now. So I put up in Bangalore. Near my place there are many Maruti dealerships available. So I've taken my Dzire car in this Varun Motors. So the difference between other dealers and Varun Motors is that the customer interaction and the response time is very good in Varun Motors. The Varun Motors have got many branches in Bangalore. This is a Hebal branch. Even this, it's a Arena showroom. As we all know, Arena showroom maintains all legacy car models like Brezza and we have a Celerio, Shift, Ertiga and Dzire type of cars. And they have another type of showroom called Nexa. Suzuki Nexa, so wherein you will see the premium cars like Baleno, S-Cross, XL6 and Ignis type of cars. So they have a very big showroom with big hall and display rooms. As Dzire is the facelift version being released in March 2020, unfortunately we didn't get a showpiece of Dzire here. And Varun Motors have a very nice showcase of interior and exterior accessories. And I had a very nice interaction with accessory manager, Mr. Sashi. He was very kind enough to explain all the accessories for the Dzire. And they have a very nice LCD display wherein they can fit the accessory and demonstrate how it will look like in the car. And they showcased many varieties of music system. Since I have selected ZXi model, so I didn't go for a change of music system. And this is the display they used for fixing the accessories. So let us look at our car now. Our car is ready for delivery. I have chosen Oxford blue color in Dzire. Apart from Oxford blue, there are 5 more colors available in Dzire, which are premium silver, white, magma grey, phoenix red and brown. So out of these colors, I felt white and blue looks very good. And I've chosen a ZXi model. There is a top end variant which is called ZXi Plus, which has got 4 more features available. They are precision control alloy wheels, and you have a daylight running lamps, and you have a reverse parking camera which I have taken separately, and you have a cruise control option. So if you see, the features are very nice. So when you look at the front view of the Dzire, you get a premium look due to the chrome finish on the fog lamps and also the single premium grills. The two-tone precision cut alloy wheels in ZXi Plus model is very attractive. I hope I can take it sometime later. So when it comes to interiors, the main reason for me to choose Dzire is the legroom. So it has got enormous space, and then you have a rear AC vent and power point. So apart from that, you have a smart keyless entry, and you have a large boot space of around 378 liters of capacity, and you have a push start stop button and reverse parking sensors. So we started experiencing the car now. We started checking the front side. The interior color is very good. The seat covers are placed already. The steering has got a wood finish. The seat covers I have chosen in line with the interior color so that it doesn't contrast. So now this is back side seats. So the leg room is very nice. So the finish is very good. So this is the boot space. So we have placed our accessories here. So here are my kids. They are enjoying the car thoroughly. So I am very much satisfied with the design and the look. By the way, our relationship manager, Mr. Kishore from Varun Motors, so he was very kind enough to explain all the features, and he has given many suggestions to us. Thank you, Mr. Kishore. So here is my daughter enjoying the car. She started driving already. Hi. So here they are explaining about how to use the jack stand when I have to change a tire. So they also given an explanation about means how to use the infotainment systems and other things. I am going to ride now. I am very much excited. Yeah, I am switching on the start button. It's on now. Oh, it looks great. Once again, thank you Mr. Kishore and Varun Motors for excellent customer service. The formalities are over now. I am taking out the car out of the showroom. I strongly recommend Dzire to others. Thank you for watching, friends. If you like the video, do thumbs up. Also share and subscribe our channel. Thank you once again.